Hello friends, today we are going to prepare Nati chicken curry. So firstly we have to cut the tomatoes and onions, and we have to add some oil to it, and we have to fry it well. So now we can see this is we washed the chicken very well and we've taken it in a cooker. Now we're gonna add some rock salt to it. Better to use rock salt because it gives a good taste. And now we're going to add some turmeric powder, and along with that we're going to add some chili powder. And then for this we have to add some oil. We should mix it finely. We should do this before the preparation. As this is totally village style, this will be very tasty. So now we must mix. If not possible, you can mix it with anything like spoon or thing. And then now we have to keep it on the stove and start getting. It will start getting heated up and it will start boiling and it will be cooked soon. Till then, yeah, now it is almost done. You can see this is how it should be done. The ingredients which we need for the masala is coconut, garlic, ginger, clove, and also cinnamon. So now, along with the fried tomatoes and onions, we have to grind all these items with some coriander leaves. While pasting these ingredients, we should also add some coriander powder. So now, we are going to first grind the coconut which we chopped, and all the items like that is the clove, cinnamon and ginger, and with garlic, we have to make this well pasted. If required for this mixture, we can also add water. It should be pasted well. So these are the pasted ingredients. Look, it must be pasted very well like this. Now to the same jar we have to add the fried tomatoes, onions with some coriander leaves, and we have to grind it well. Now for this grinded mixture we have to add some coriander powder, and we have to grind it again. So after grinding with coriander powder, that looks something like that, and now we have to add that to the chicken which we were boiling before. But please note, we should not cover the lid. And now the coconut which we had grinded before, we have to add that. And now we have to add some water. This is the same bowl which we had grinded all the ingredients, and we have to mix it very well. Please note that water must be limited, and you can keep this and cover this with the lid now, and we have to keep it on the stove for at least 3 to 4 whistles. That is more than enough. Our meat will be cooked. So friends, this is done. So you can serve it with anything you like. And thank you all for watching.